This is how this sheet metal roller works. I'm going to pick up the sheet metal. In this case is a little shy of 8 foot. We're going to wedge that in, not by a lot, but about half an inch or 10 millimeter. And then we're going to push the metal down, crease slightly to start the roll. Roll slowly and tightly, and all the way about 4 revolutions. Then it's ready. Then tie it up with a wire or use tape, duct tape, to secure the metal. Then we're going to take this roller off and then release the core, and that is it. The diameter by this method is about 10 inches. Thank you.